This is the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro. I love this thing. The initial thought people have when it comes to Huawei watches, well, I don't use a Huawei phone, so is it going to work? Yes. On me, there are no exclusive features only designed for Huawei phones. You can use it with your iPhone, with your Android phone. So number one, it doesn't matter what phone you use. Number two, these watches already has pretty much the best battery life that you can get from a watch. This takes it a step further. We have more sensors, better activity and fitness and health tracking. It also looks pretty damn good. And maybe most important of all, it is significantly cheaper than an Apple Watch. An Apple Watch Series 10 or 11 starts at £399. We're talking $229 for the GT6 and $329 for this guy, the GT6 Pro. So this Pro 46mm watch is still like £70 cheaper than Apple's cheapest Apple Watch. If you're looking for a new watch that looks good, lasts a long time, tracks everything you need, works with any phone, and also is pretty damn good value, then yeah, this is definitely worth having a look. So let's dive a little bit deeper, see what it can do. First off though, there are only 3 models. You've got 2 GT6s and just the one GT6 Pro. There's no longer a smaller version, we just have this 46mm. In combination of colors and bands, although this will vary based on region. So what exactly is new with this GT6 series, and in particular the GT6 Pro? Cycling and trail running, tracking and insights. We also have better heart rate monitoring. In fact, the heart rate accuracy is now 98% when you're cycling, 95% when you're trail running, which is much higher than rivals, giving you effectively pro-level heart rate monitoring without need for additional equipment. We have more accurate GPS. In fact, their Sunflower GPS system, as they call it, it's now 20% more accurate. With emotional and stress assessments, heart rate, your sleep, if you fancy wearing it overnight, this all combines to give you your health insight summary. Well, let's just talk about the watch itself. And up front, we have this 1.47-inch AMOLED display, which actually is 5.5% bigger than last year's GT5 Pro. The cleaner look, but also giving it more room for the bigger battery. Sapphire glass on the front, as well as this aviation-grade titanium body, and a nanocrystal ceramic case on the back. I wouldn't really like it though, and actually with this band in particular, I found it incredibly comfortable. None silver titanium version, along with this band in particular, gives it kind of a almost 70s aesthetic. It's like retro modern. It's also IP69, which can take it diving as low as 14 meters. So you've got 2 buttons on the watch. You have the crown up here, which if you press it, it brings up your list of applications, and you've got the second one down here, which if you press it, it brings up your workout options. The crown also is a scroll wheel, which is really handy because it means then the screen's free for you to look at whatever you're looking at, but also obviously you can use it as a touchscreen as well. And a double press of the crown, it brings up your recently used apps menus. With the GT6 series, including the Pro, Huawei promise a 50% longer battery, weeks to 3 weeks, which is insane. And that's thanks to a larger battery and also new battery technology, and it is significantly longer than right. And also we have better trails this year, not just for running, but also for cycling. You have better pace tracking, you've got pace correction. I can also check my skin temperature with this guy. Press OK, press measure, 30.7. I can even take an ECG with the GT6 Pro, or my finger against the button for 30 seconds. No signs of AFib. Good news that there's a emotional well-being sensor as well. This isn't new for the GT6 Pro, but of tips on how to improve your mood. So it's not just about physical health, also a little bit about emotional well-being. So the GT6 series is a stylish fitness watch with a massive battery, industry-leading GPS, great performance, top-notch durability. It's a proper sports, activity and health tracking watch, and there's really no compromise to the design or the style. This is one of the best all-rounder smartwatches you can buy. Just to reiterate, you do not need a Huawei phone. This will work just as well with any recent iPhone, Android phone. There are no exclusive features to Huawei. The only current limitation that still stands with these Huawei watches is when it comes to payment, at least here in the UK. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.